matter. We don't need black or white or left or right. What we need is common sense, we need balance. We're all in the same boat, why you trying to make holes? If they sink, we sink, this is madness. I'm offended that you're offended by me taking offense. Can't build a wall, why does your house have a fence? I believe in two genders, I'm not mad at the rest. I'm just confused when a dude has a beard and some breasts. We won't always agree, nope. I don't hate all police, nope. I don't think that the system's racist, I just think the system hates people. I think fighting violence with more violence is what they want. Viruses and riots, people dying, we won't stay home. Black lives matter, all lives matter. What's all this division for? It's modern segregation, this is setting up a civil war. Burn the circus down, cause the world is full of clowns. They're all stupid and they're proud, painted smiles on their mouths. I don't hang with bozos, homie, I can't be around you. Anyone who knows me knows my feet don't fit in clown shoes. When I was a child, the only races that we hated were the ones that we ran and didn't win. Then we stopped playing with each other, started hating on each other, started noticing the color of our skin. Christians and atheists, immigrants, patriots, we love the country, but we are not saving it. Wages don't raise to the rate of inflation, and half of the country hates all of the nation. It's funny that we think the world owes us something. All the phones got smart, but the people so dumb. We care more about the likes on a selfie than our moms, and the only time we ever speak the truth when we're drunk. We won't always agree.
We just do a lot of cool, fun stuff that's family oriented. If you saw my short earlier, I had tire issues. About 2 months ago, I had a tire issue on the way to work where the tire exploded and I had a new one. Well, the new one that I got obviously wasn't the greatest, and I had the same similar type issue this morning. Although I did catch it before it did explode, and I was able to get to obviously discount tire. Only bad thing is that it's 11 o'clock now. I've been here since about 9:30, and I'll be done until about 12:30, and I still haven't taken my van, obviously. So, kind of bummed about that. Just kind of been sitting here bored, playing some Candy Crush, but I just thought I'd give everyone an update with all of the channel. I'm looking for a new intro, like not an intro, but like a new welcome. So if you have any tips, leave some in the comments, like what to say when I start a video. Just let me know what you think. Give me your input on the quality of our videos, and if there's anything that you like, dislike, or think that we should improve on. I hope me being in front of the camera and talking to the camera has improved a lot since the very first video that we did. I like to say I am learning and I'm blossoming, and our channel is growing. It is growing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, click that notification bell so that you can be aware of other videos that we post. Alright guys, see you next time.
I got a normal look of mascara, and that's all I'm going to do for today. I'll see you when I'm done. Guess what now with my makeup? Gonna give you a little tour of our apartment. Here's River.
I think it's crazy I'm the one who they labeled as controversial, and Cardi B is the role model for 12-year-old girls. There's rappers pushing Xanax at the top of the billboard, but if I mention race in a song, I'm scared I'll get killed for it. It's backwards, it's getting exponentially dumb. It's more difficult to get a job than purchase a gun. Eminem used to gay bash and murder his mom, and now he doesn't want fans if they voted for Trump. We're ashamed to be American. You should probably love it, cause you have the right to hate it and not get stoned to death in public. As children we were taught how to walk and talk, but the system wants adults to sit down and shut up. Cancel culture runs the world now, the planet went crazy. Labeled everything we say as homophobic or racist. If you're white, then you're privileged, guilty by association. All our childhood heroes got Me Too'd or they're rapists. They never freed the slaves. They realized that they don't need to change. They gave us tiny screens, we think we free cause we can't see the cage. They knew that race war would be the game they need to play. From people to big teams, they use the media to feed the flame. They so fake woke. Facts don't care about feelings. They know they won't tell me what to believe in. They so fake woke. Same old, same song. They so fake woke. Facts don't care about your feelings. I think it's crazy how these people screaming facts, but they fake woke. Hate their neighbor cause he wears a mask or he stays home. Has a daughter, but his favorite artist said he slays hoes.
You got
second. School music slaps on the way home. Censorship's an issue cause they choose what they erase. There's the difference between hate speech and speech that you hate. I think
we're here at Topgolf.
When the system's screwing everyone exactly.
Chris is mad.
I just want to spend
Look at the guy.
with food in my family. Without being accused of celebrating native
beautiful.
We got so
Beautiful guy. Sunset behind him.
Republicans are
so cute.
If you're liberal. There's riots in our streets and
Mayo Family Vlogs coming at you from Topgolf of Nashville, Tennessee. Oh yeah, look at that. Over the net.
Hey, it's the Mayo Family Vlogs. We're part of the Mayo family.
They call him Tiger because he has orange hair.
Oh,
baby. Let's see what Big Daddy Chris has for us. Oh. Let's see what he's got. Ooh. Over the net. Wow. Wonderful. Mayo Family Vlogs. Peace.
And wonder why it isn't working. It's like sleeping with the football team to try and be a virgin. Politicians are for sale and someone always makes the purchase.
What's up,
Mayo Family Vlogs? If a man has mental illness, call him crazy, say it silently. The country's going crazy, we accept it as society. Get sick and take a pill when the side effects get you high and get addicted like these rappers dying, fighting with sobriety. Censoring the facts turns our children into idiots. They claim it's for our safety. I'll tell you what it really is. Removing information that empowers all the citizens. The truth doesn't damage points of view that are legitimate. They're trying to change amen and women. How do we let them make praying a microaggression? Instead of asking God for the strength to keep winning, we cheat to get ahead and then we ask for forgiveness. Feminism used to be the most righteous of fights, but these days it feels like they secretly hate guys. I don't trust anyone who eats for a week and don't die. I'm just kidding. Everything else that I said is right. They so fake woke. Facts don't care about.
Dude, that is a beautiful picture out there.
Almost just fell down the stairs. So did Chris.
Megan almost died.
It's getting really dangerous out here.
You have like an hour drive? It was like 40. Oh yeah. I have like an hour drive. I gotta go to another state. Do what?
So they just said,
Dude,
they just said it was about a 15-minute wait for the walk-in, and that's not. Kind of sucks for us because we could have just walked in, but you know, it happens.
Oh, so we didn't have to prepay or like.
Well, normally it's like 2 or 3 hours. So.
Oh. I thought it was more than just 2 floors.
Oh no. Some of them are.
You want to say something to the? You want to say something to my 37 subscribers? Well, one video did have 5,000 views on it though.
38. 39.
Oh, 38, 39. Oh, okay. Right. Well, that was fun. Next time we should.
We're gonna chill for a
Next
bit.
time we're gonna skydive. All right.
Praying that the world changes soon. Can get a doobie on a plane, but there's Uzis in our schools. Every dude who touched a boob or a booty
Yo,
getting
what's up, guys? Just got done playing Topgolf with all the work fam. It was awesome. I really think everyone got a chance to like really bond and really grow our friendship, and it's kind of become a family almost. Really, I mean, not even almost. Like it has become a family. And I feel blessed to be part of this whole group of designers. We had a blast. They're all giving support to the Mayo Family Vlog, which is awesome also. I think that if we keep on doing this, I keep uploading videos every single week. Something that I had a dream of 2 weeks ago when I was just saying, hey, while we're in Disney World, let's record this, let's make a YouTube channel, something, you know, call it something that deals with our family. Let's just, not even for the views, not even for the subscribers, let's post videos of what our family does, what each of us does during the day, so that in 10 years we can look at this and say, I'm glad I recorded that, or, you know, wow, I did that, or wow, you know, River was that small, oh my god, you know, that's what the goal was. But now I'm seeing the growth. Like every single day, our channel may not get thousands of views a day, but it's starting to get in the tens to hundreds. Subscriber counts, it grows like one person a day, which is amazing. So thank you guys. And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can be aware of whenever we post a video. Like it. It was a really fun time. Everybody, if you haven't got to try Topgolf, I would definitely try it. It's kind of like bowling almost, but it's called. But yeah, so that ends today's segment. On to Friday of shopping. Peace.